Hello everyone! I'm so thrilled that you could join me today. I just came back from an incredible trip to Taiwan and I can't wait to share some of the memorable moments and useful tips, of course, with you. If you've been thinking about visiting Taiwan, especially if you're interested in shopping for gold jewelry, you're definitely in for a treat. I spent about 4 nights and 5 days there, taking in all the vibrant experiences, and I have to say, it's quickly becoming one of my top travel destinations in Asia. The flight is short, plus no visa is required for us to visit. Let me take you back to when I first traveled to Taiwan. Back then, I had to get a visa, but since I held a valid Schengen or a European visa, I was able to enter the country. Fast forward to my recent trips and it's been all hassle-free. Isn't that great? In this trip, I was traveling with my two kids who were visiting for the second time, and it's my fourth time. Anyway, since I was with them, I decided to keep shopping to a minimum. But let's be real. When you're on vacation, it's hard to resist a little retail therapy, right? Plus, it felt great to take a break from work. So let's just jump right into some of my favorite discoveries, starting with a chic bag I got from Coach in Taipei. Well, I'm super excited to share with you what I picked up. It's my first Coach bag, and the box is really huge. Well, I chose this bag with travel in mind, wanting something that was spacious and versatile. While I have a collection of tote bags, I really appreciate the functionality and versatility that this one brings. Tote bags can be great for travel, but whether they're the right choice depends on where you're traveling. I find most of my totes uncomfortable for long carrying and too big to take when you're out for shopping or walking around crowded places, It's hard to avoid bumping into people or things with a tote. Whereas this one is multi-purpose and can be used all day. And it's not too expensive. It's not a big deal if it gets bumped, dirty, or rained on. It's not stressful or pain on the wallet. In the strip, I bought along my new Louis Vuitton Speedy B 25 bag, which I recently unboxed, along with my Palm Springs Backpack Mini. Both got rained on a bit. Actually, yes, they're made of canvas, but have leather straps and trimmings that shouldn't get wet too often and still need proper care to make them last. I must admit that these two did turn out to be super handy, but this Coach bag feels more carefree and convenient, especially with its wide opening and built-in divider. No need for extra pouches or bag organizers. If you're not a fan of wet weather, by the way, I suggest considering a visit to Taiwan in the bare months when the climate is usually more pleasant. Anyway, let's talk more about this bag. This Coach bag is called the Willow Soft Bucket, and I have to say, it's slightly bigger than my usual bags. This was actually my very first Coach bag, Coach purchase, and one of the things I appreciate about it is how budget-friendly it is while still not having the brand name all over it. It makes it perfect for casual outings, don't you think? The color is a beautiful white or off-white, officially labeled as brass/chalk, with kind of a brass gold hardware, and I love how it easily pairs with practically any outfit. You can wear this bag in several ways, over your shoulder, crossbody, or just by hand, since it has adjustable straps. It's really roomy too, ideal for fitting all my essentials. The material is polished pebble leather, making it look and feel luxurious and cozy on the inside as well. There's a snap pocket, some closures for security, a zip compartment right in the middle, and four little protective feet on the bottom to guard it from any damage. I got this for 550 US dollars. But shopping isn't just about bags. I also carved out some time to hunt for gold jewelry, and let me tell you, Taiwan has some fantastic options. The gold district in Taipei is a must-see, packed with a variety of jewelry shops. Whether you're looking for traditional pieces or something modern, you're sure to find something you love. I ended up getting a stunning bracelet from Zhongli Gold, but I kept it to just one piece since my Taiwan dollars or NT were limited at the time. If you're planning to buy gold in Taiwan, here are a few tips. The prices for 24 karat gold are usually quite affordable. However, bear in mind that if you use a credit card, you'll face an additional 5% charge. I attempted to withdraw cash from an ATM, but the lines were so long and several machines were down. Sure, I could have paid in US dollars, but I opted for my card. So make sure to have enough Taiwanese dollars on hand when you shop for jewelry. The bracelet I picked out is absolutely gorgeous and shines beautifully. It's pure gold or 24 karat. It features a unique lock design that caught my eye instantly. Normally, Chinese gold takes on S-shaped designs that can break easily since they're pure and soft. But this one, it feels easier and convenient. Just what I need. When you're buying gold jewelry, do your homework. Know the current gold prices and explore the styles that you're interested in before your trip. Many shops showcase local designs that are truly unique. So if you spot something that intrigues you, don't hesitate to ask about it. Bargaining is part of the process too, especially related to labor costs. Gold prices are usually set, but the labor costs in Taiwan can differ based on the intricate designs. Plus, keep in mind that their weight measurement is different. 1 gram in Taiwan equals about 3.75 grams in the Philippines. My bracelet weighs 6.94 grams in Taiwan, which is around 26 grams back home. Here, just a little detail to keep in mind while shopping. The total price of this bracelet, by the way, was more or less 178,000 pesos. Indeed, it's quite an investment, but I think it's worth it. To the next items I purchased, a few cute clothes from Zara. To be honest, I haven't bought clothes from Zara here in the Philippines for a long time. Many designs and styles are different compared to those in other countries. There are many Zara items that aren't found here. Like this linen long dress, for example. It's simple in the front, but with nice ties at the back. It's really great for summer. Just pair it with sandals or slippers and you're good to go. The price was quite affordable at 1,990 NT. So this one is in the size medium. I just think it's cute. This one is a set. It's a top and pants, but they're priced separately. The color is really cute, kind of a powder blue with a hint of gray. I love the color and the simple look of this pair. Very comfortable to wear and easy to match with shoes. And of course, a bag. It's nice that the top has inner lining, and this is 1,490 NT, while the price is also 1,490 NT, for a total of 2,980 NT. Next is just a regular short skirt or skirt in light beige. It's affordable at 1,190 NT. It's great for summer or for wearing at home or just for casual walks. I love that it has two pockets at the back and the size is medium. Last is this Pop Mart, a set of Hashifupu snuggle with you pendant blind box. The box contains 6 designs. One is a secret character and I hope this box has it. I wasn't able to score a Labubu box of Labubu version 3 because they've sold out. But I'm happy to have this anyway. I'm not gonna open this now because I have to rush. I have to go out for a very important errand. Maybe I could do a separate video for this. I also bought some souvenir items, but I won't show them anymore because it would make the video too long and I have to go out like I mentioned. Just chose to share those that I got for myself. But this one is a freebie from the jewelry store, the Zhongli Gold, which is a cute coin purse with a Chinese character, and another one, a keychain or a bag charm. So maybe next time I'm going to show you what's inside the Hachifufu or Hasifufu, how do you pronounce that, blind box. So to wrap everything up, my trip to Taiwan was packed with delightful experiences, charming shopping finds, and an appreciation for culture. If you're considering your next holiday destination, I highly recommend Taiwan. From mouth-watering food to stunning lights, stunning sights, it's a place you won't want to miss. Thanks for spending time with me today. Until next time, happy travels. Bye!